Every judge on the bench right now wants the fairest system possible. Certainly when we're talking about bond reform and issues with bond reform. And the court is looking at, ways to make it more fair. A lot of the issues that have been talking about recently with bond issues are dealing a lot more with municipal court than they do with the Common Pleas court. Certainly there are ways we can improve what the bond commissioner's office is doing and how they're evaluating individuals, but when individuals come into the county jail, they are interviewed within the first day of being there. They're an ORAS test. It's Ohio Risk Assessment Study, which was a certified study done by the University of Cincinnati. So they take that into account. They take into account criminal history, and then the bond recommendation is placed there. Well, that's one of the things that the judge will look at in arraignment in determining what sort of bond to set. Certainly the other thing is, when you've got that first pretrial, one of the things I'll ask the attorneys if I notice a bond that looks really high is, are you going to make a bond reduction motion? Is there a reason to do that here? I can tell you, looking through the jail cases I have right now, and I just reviewed them on Friday to make sure, and I do that weekly and have my bailiff do that to make sure that we don't have somebody sitting there that shouldn't be there. So until, reforms happen, and I don't know that there are ever going to be perfect reforms with regard to the bond system, it's up to the individual judges, and really I think the attorneys need to take a more active role too.